Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, let's solve this question. So here for the first part, we need to find out the resultant force. First, let's find out each muscle force into horizontal and vertical components. First one, it's for rectus femoris. So here the horizontal component is 150 Newton into sine 15 degree and the vertical component is 150 Newton into cos 15 degree. Now the next muscle is the vastus lateral. Here horizontal component is 200 Newton into sine 30 degree and vertical component is 200 Newton into cos 30 degree. And next muscle is the vas intermediate. For that, the horizontal component is 200 into sine of 10 degree and the vertical component is 200 into cos 10 degree. And the next muscle is vastus medialis. For that, the horizontal component is 230 Newton into sine 40 degree and the vertical component is 230 Newton into cos 40 degree. Now let's calculate the horizontal and vertical components. Here, for the first one, that is the rectus femoris, this will be equal to 38.67 Newton and the vertical component is 144.82 Newton. And for vastus lateral, the horizontal component is 100 Newton and the vertical component is 173.21 Newton. And the next one is a vas intermediate. For that, the horizontal component equals 34.64 Newton and the vertical component is 196.14 Newton. Now for vastus medialis, the horizontal component is equal to 147.66 Newton and the vertical component is 176.74 Newton. Now the resultant horizontal is equal to 38.67 plus 100 plus 34.64 minus 147.6. It is equal to 25.65 north to the left. And the vertical component resultant is equal to 144.82 plus 173.21 plus 196.14 plus 176.34 and it will be equal to 694.72 Newton. So this will be north upward and here the resultant is equal to square root of the horizontal resultant square plus the vertical resultant square. It is equal to root of 25.65 square plus 699.72 square and the resultant R will be 694. Now to find out the direction theta, it is equal to arc tan of the vertical resultant divided by the horizontal resultant. It will be equal to arc tan 699.72 divided by 25.65. Hence the value for theta is equal to 86.43 degree. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.